welcome back to the channel. I'm Cold Fire.
What the hell
I was gonna say I'm your guy Cold Fire.
Oh, I thought you were going to say I'm Guy Ritchie or something.
No.
Alright, anyways, yeah, he's Cold Fire, I'm Kit, and we're going to part 2 for the Girlie Show tour.
Well, the third song in it, and
Yes, but this is part 2 that we reacted
this
to.
will be part 2 of our reactions to
Stop
the Girlie Show
contradicting me.
tour from Sydney, Australia, 1993 by Madonna, the Queen.
Okay.
Let's hit it. Oh, it's gotta be Vogue.
Jimmy Dean. Grace Kelly, Hollow Jean, picture of a beauty queen. Jean Kelly, Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers, dance on air. They had style, they had grace. Rita Hayworth gave good face. Lauren Catherine Lanitou.
I was gonna ask you, this part right here, you know how she got, what was the Hindu goddess with the 6 arms? I can't remember that. She's very sacred in the Hinduism.
No, I know, I saw it on Charmed.
Yeah, that's the character. That's
yeah,
what she was trying to create right there, and you can hear the instrumentals of that culture.
Yeah, I don't know. I remember. I know Ganesh is Indian. The elephant thing.
But
I'm not.
If anybody knows, I can't remember the name of the goddess that has the 6 arms. That she's very famous and respected in Hinduism.
Yeah.
But let's carry on.
Betty Davis, we love you. Ladies with an attitude. Fellas that are in the mood. Don't just stand there, let's get to it. Strike the pose, there's nothing to it.
She is working them boots like Nancy Sinatra did.
Yep.
I mean, she's sitting there and they're like, when they're in the positions of voting, they're lifting one leg up and standing in those heels.
You know what I like?
With that weight?
You know what I like about what she does is with her music is, like, take Vogue for instance. When it was first done, she did it as, I don't know what type of, it was very prestigious and.
To the video?
Yeah.
Was done classic, like black and white,
Correct.
like
It was
of the era for what the
prestigious.
artist she's speaking
But
of. Yeah.
she has changed it several times.
And she done the Marie Antoinette live on MTV.
And then she's doing it like this. So I like that she keeps the music the same.
Yes.
But her music can be changed up to different eras.
Yeah.
You know, so I like that. It takes
She
all
throws people off.
Lord have mercy if anybody ever screwed up. She would kill him.
Well, I mean, I even heard on her tours that if you were 1 minute late, you got docked on pay.
Good.
Because she wants everybody to be on time.
Mm-hmm.
And I know there's been criticism over the years about Madonna coming on like 1-2 hours later and getting mad at her because she came on late, not on time and everything. It doesn't have to do with the artist. They got to make sure that everything is ready to go, and there could be something before that. There could be technical glitches that need to be fixed.
Mm-hmm.
There could be time in changing. Something could happen where they need extra breath or something.
Safety concerns.
Safety concerns, stuff like that. Okay. But you just got to appreciate the artist when they get on the stage. I mean, you pay money to go see them. I would wait 5 hours for her to come on stage if I paid.
I hope she ain't 5 hours late.
No,
because I might have to pee.
Let's see what she's gonna do next. That was incredible.
into my eyes and you said goodbye. Could you see my tears when I turned the other way? Did you hear me say I'd wait for all the dark clouds bursting in a perfect sky? You promised me when you said goodbye that you'd return when the storm was done, and now I'll wait for the light, I'll wait for the sun.
I just wanted to stop it there because that's obviously part of ending of the reign, giving her a break probably to go change and get ready for her next
I
performance.
see Michael Myers coming.
You're gonna be surprised about the clown, or I guess that's not really considered a clown, but a jester.
Mm-hmm.
Jester.
Or Michael Myers.
He's not Michael Myers. She doesn't like horror movies. She don't even watch TV.
Mm-hmm.
But I thought her vocals were freaking extraordinary in that Rain. And did you see how she changed it up with I told you, she gets a lot of her influence from Motown music because she's from Michigan. And what is Michigan known for?
Cars.
Besides cars.
Wind.
Motown. They created the best Motown musicians. That's their contribution is Motown music.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said before, she got a lot of her inspirations from Motown. That's why she usually does it in her concert. She'll break it up and put it in one of her songs if it fits into kind of like that Rain, how it did. How it just smoothly glided into it and then went back to Rain. And I appreciate the fact that she also let Nikki and Donna, which are backup dancers, singers and dancers for her, but she shared that song with them. She let them sing that whole song all the way through with her. Even though you could still hear Madonna above it, they knew not to go too far, which is hard to do when you're backing up when you're backing somebody up that close. You have to really hold back a little bit to let the star of the show go a little bit above and sound.
But she always
out
does
of her
that.
element.
She always does that.
Yeah, but she always appreciates her dancers and that and everything. She's grateful to everybody who puts these shows together for her because she knows it's gonna make her or break her. But we hope that you enjoyed that reaction to Rain, and we will get ready for the next performance of whatever she's gonna do, which is part 3. And stick around, and we love you. Bye bye.